defined. Yeah. Data driven framework is done. Then I will make this two points here at the below, so that it will be under flow. Okay, now let's see. So what is user defined framework means? Any word used as a key. Example, here all of you make recording. Sajani, can you hear me now? Yes, Saujanya? Fine. So example, login is there. For this you are having this type of code example. Then open order is there. For this you are having this code. And close. For this you are having this type of code. Okay. Login, open and close. Here, instead of calling these many lines, use one key called login. So these lines will get executes. Use one keyword called open. These lines will get executes. So any word used as a key to the script lines, or you can make it as a reserved word. It is a reserved word used as a key to the specific script lines to call. It's called keyword. So this is one approach here. So how the process is going on, let's discuss now. Here, any word used as a key to the script lines, or a reserved word used to identify the specific script lines is called keyword driven. It's called keyword driven. So this is one approach. In this approach, we are creating these keywords by preparing these tests. In this approach, we are creating keywords by preparing tests. For this, first we need to create testers and make them as functions and calling them. Make them as functions by giving the keys, key names, and calling those keys. So here, in order to create store, organize and manage all files, we required all project related. We required well-defined folder structure. It's a mandatory element. It's a mandatory element. Let's see. So that folder structure, let's see. First one is test data and requirements. Then object repository. Functional library. Then environment. Then test script. Then test log or result. Here. Okay, now let's see. Test data and requirements. So project related, all project related test data and all files like FRS, SRS, test plan, etc. documents will be stored in this folder. File extension, file saving extension, .xls and .doc. Before going to that point, first tell me, is these points are clear, the one which I highlighted? Esteem, you can message.
Yes.
Up to now
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
clear. Fine. Good, dear. Now let's see next one. Object repository. So separately no need to teach the object repository for you. It's a storage location where all project related properties and values, project related properties and values will be stored. So it's a memory location or a storage location. .tsr. What is the abbreviation of TSR? Your voice is slow. Test. Good. Good, dear. It's a test shared repository. So project related keywords will be created in library file. This is important. File saving extension .vbs. Visual Basic Script. This you know very well. Project related, last class, project related secure data will be stored. Here .xml. So project related all script lines will be stored. File extension is .txt. Notepad or Word also. Project related result will be stored. Here .mtr means Mercury test result. These are all practical now we are going to do. Before that, just go through it. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you just go through these steps. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm back, dear. Yeah, having any doubts here? Now, practically, we are going to create all those things.
No, ma'am.
No doubts? Good. So, let's see. One by one file we will create now. Yeah. So, working process. First one, create the folder structure. Then, create all files and save it into desired folder. Then take the new test pane. Take the new test pane. Then write the keywords. Write the keywords. Then associate the all files in QTP. Execute the script. See, the steps we are doing now. Let's see. Let's see how to do this process. Now create the folder structure. So this is your QTP. For creating the folder structure, we are going to use, before that, see, think that if you are a manual tester, if I am asking you to create one folder here, how you will create? In C drive, if I am asking you to create one folder, how you will create? Anyone in the class?
Right click.
Yeah, right click.
Right click. Then new.
New.
And create folder, right?
Yes.
Yes.
This is the
And
manual
no,
oriented.
we can, in file also there will be an option like new folder, I think.
Yeah, here folders.
Yes.
Yes.
Here also you can create, and right click also you can create, either way.
Yeah.
But you are not a manual tester. You are an automation tester. You need to inform to QTP to create the folder. So how to inform? That is only the point. Now let's see how to inform QTP. So with the help of FSO method. So for
FSO.
creating, yeah, I'm writing. For creating folder structure, we can use FSO method. FSO means file system object. File system object. So here it is used to create this method is used to create the flat files, means folders. Flat files means folders. Syntax is format. Here set FSO equals to create object scripting dot file system object. FSO dot create folder path. Let's see where I want to create in C drive. Here with name called keyword. Here any is to Archana. See, there is no name called Archana keyword. So I'm creating here just to minimize this one. Open your QTP. So let's see. I'm creating the folder structure first. Set FSO equals to create object. Here scripting dot file system object. Scripting dot file system object. Then FSO dot create folder and path of the folder. Where? In C drive. C drive, and folder name is what?
Archana.
Archana. Archana keyword. Hit the run button. See. See. See here. Archana keyword. Double click it. It will get ready. Again in this Archana keyword some subfolders are created. Now let's see. Here. First one is what? Test data. And test data and requirements. for future reference purpose. Then object repository. Then object repository. After object repository, what is the next? Functional library. Then recover, environment. Recovery in coming class you will understand.
Environment.
Environment. Then test scripts. Test log. Here. See, there is no folder name as subfolders are not created in Archana framework. Now let's see. Hit the run button. Within a seconds it will get created. You can work with manually also, but it is a time-taking process. Why we are using Q2P? To increase the speed. See, all folders got created. First, test data and requirements. This you can get it from manually also. Here, let's see. This is FRS documentation. Then this is test plan. So this is test data. Overview of the project. Like one project related, all documentations will be saved in the test data and requirement. Then, see.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
When you first created Archana keyword folder, we just, in the second line, FSO create folder, we just wrote Archana keyword. That's it. And when we were creating subfolders, you wrote in the second line test data and requirements. So how? Oh, it created inside it. Okay, okay. I got
Inside
it.
Archana. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Fine.
Subfolder.
Yeah,
subfolder. I thought Archana keyword name would get renamed. It's
No,
a subfolder.
no.
Yeah.
Subfolder. So now, once you created this script line, copy it and open one notepad and paste it here. Go to File, Save As, and My Computer, C drive. Where is Archana? Here. Here, test scripts is there, na? Here, make it as a level 1 in brackets FSO. Save it. For future reference purpose, you are saving. One step is done. Now take the new one. Take the new one. Open the application, write down three module related script. Login, open and close. So I have activated, enter username as Vidya. Basic script generation I am doing. Password as Mercury. Click OK. Go to File, say Open. 50th record and close it. Stop recording. Then here, System Util. .run, right click, Properties, copy the target location, Control V. Now, see, you have created one script here up to here one module and up to here one module. Example. Now, go to Resource, Object Repository. this object repository file you are creating. Go to objects, add objects to local. Oh, sorry. Go to file, export local objects. Where in C drive, Archana object repository. Here you are saving it as a login. See, automatically .tsr, test shared repository. Click save. One more file got created. Okay, object repository file we created. Then, as you know, environment file. Instead of giving somewhere else, you can give. Instead of giving your user defined here, somewhere else you can give. Last class, if you remember, here environment variable. So here I don't want to create here also. So where you need to create now? Go to file, settings, environment user defined. Here I want to create. So here path value is so and so. Then user value is Archana framework, so Archana user. Then PWD means password, Mercury. Here I created. After creating this, export. Where in Archana keyword environment, see .xml. Environment file saving location is what? .xml, extendable markup language. So here you can give the name as login. Click save. Click apply and OK. Here you are calling them. Environment dot value. So you need to declare the variable. A equals to environment dot value path. B equals to environment dot value user. C equals to path user password PWD. B C. Hit the run button. Let's see. So this is not new to you people. Already last class we learned. So environment file is also created. So previously I missed, yeah, here control A, copy. Here this is the level 2 script. So before level 2 script, yeah, here I will make it as a level 3 script first. Environment. Here. Again open one more notepad. Basic script is also required. So first script. It's a level 2 script. Got it? Anyone having a doubts?
No.
I missed to create that one. Now I created. Okay. Here let's see. Environment I created. One project related all environments. Test scripts parallelly I am creating. Object repository we created. Test data we created. Requirements we created. Tested log, next step. I mean to say in result, final result. Now functional library. Library files I'm gonna create. Library files means keywords. See, first you need to make a option called this is one key. This is another key and this is another key. So now let's see. Here. Function login A. Here. Function open B. Function close C. Copy it. This point is important. When you are saving the file, library file you are creating, keywords you have created, you need to remember login A, open B, close C. Now go to file, save as, level 4 keywords or library file. Close this one. Again open one notepad. Go to file, save as. Where? In Archana folder, functional library, login.vbs. Save it. Close this one. See. Create all files and save it into desired folders. Second step is done. Take a new test pen now. Then write the keywords. I'm taking the new test pen. And here I'm writing the keywords. Login A, open B, close C. That's it. Now go to resource, object repository. It is empty. Nothing is given here. So I need to get the information. Now go to resource, associate object repository. Plus indicates add. Here in Archana, object repository. Select the file. Available action, associate. Click OK. One step is done. Now next. Go to file, settings. Environment. Nothing is given. Load variables and external files. Here. Environment. All files I'm associating here. Click apply and OK. Then go to file, settings. Resource. Here, library file. Associate library file. Browse your library file. Archana. Functional library, login, open. Click apply and OK. Go to file, save as. Where? In C drive, Archana test log. Here, project. Example project 1. That's it. So hit the run button. Let's see what happening. So somewhere else you created the scripts. With the help of keywords, you are calling those scripts. See, if you want to work with only login and close here, so then don't give the login and close. In short, you are making, hit the run button here, login and close, that's it. And this 3 lines writing also lengthy for me. If you're feeling this writing 3 lines are lengthy, then just go to your functional library, right click, open with notepad, maximize here, here, and end function. Here all D. That's it. So go to file, save, copy all D. All D. Go to file settings because library file got changed. Delete this one. So updated one you can add it. Apply and OK. Hit the run button. See, this is called keyword driven framework. And different companies are going to use different ways, different styles here. Company to company it will be very easy method I'm sharing you. Not only one project, this frameworks are done by group of team, not by the single team, single tester. So in group you're going to create for all projects, you're creating and you're making one folder structure. All project related files you're creating in that folders, desired folders. So this is called user defined framework. And last framework, not at all important, my dear team. Just this is your homework only, that too not now. Once your practice of all frameworks completed, when you're getting a time, once you first you prepare all subject, when you're getting a time, then only you read this one. So some companies not even don't know. So it's a combination of one or two frameworks is called hybrid framework. So this is called frameworks. With this parameterized batch testing, regular expression is also done. Okay, up to now is it clear? So this week max we are ending up. So last topics are recovery, scenarios, how to write VB script manually, easy method is there. If I explain this one, previous all methods you won't practice. Then how to write VB script in different technologies. After this, quality center. With this we will end up our Mac QTP classes. Then quality center, Max quality center 2 days class. today's class. Tomorrow is the Wednesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, yeah. Max, we are about to end this week. After that, don't think that I am not going to available. Based on your timelines, decide the doubts class. After doubts class. So after that, I will give the timelines for doubts class. Decide time by your end. Then, so
Give some for QTP.
your voice is very slow, dear.
I said, will you give some project to be done on QTP?
That flight is enough, and whatever projects in manual flight banking project you are using, you can assume that is also one of your project only. So in QTP, in your resume, what you are doing, you need to say like I used to work in framework of QTP. In resume, I will release the resume, just go through it. So in that you will get all the points. So no need to practice extra project, because all projects are different technology which is QTP will not support. QTP is what? It's only the Visual Basic projects only we can use, inbuilt of Visual Basic. Any Java.NET, even if I am giving that project, it won't support. So you need to assume, instead of login, you need to assume some Gmail project. Example only I am telling. Email of all documents.
What is a banking project you said? Did we get some banking project?
Yeah, I will email you. You will get a banking project, employee information project documentation, some frequently asked questions, FAQs, frequently asked questions of HR, manual, automation, QTP, okay, complete notes of manual, automation and QC. Okay, email of all documents, then doubts class you have to decide. Finally, mock interview with resume preparation. In mock interview only I will discuss. Time decided by you. Means team. Same doubts class is also decided by you. Okay, max if you're making on Saturday, it will be easy for me. Saturday or Sunday. I can spend more time. Weekdays 1 hour is not sufficient, so more time I will spend. Got it?
Yeah.
Fine. Tomorrow, recovery scenarios. Okay. So take your time and practice. Don't worry. I'll be here only. See, for example, Bhavana, she already completed class. Again, she is coming. So you can also. Yeah, not this Sunday. First you practice, Nadia, then only that will be fine. First call. Let me complete the class. Bhavana, forget about your previous batch. Why don't you come in this batch? Previous batch, they are not responding. I didn't get any mail. Group mail, I didn't get it. See. Example. So this is the mail. Doubts class. So here. IST timing, something I have given. Just give me email through group. So they said all students are said okay. Some students, okay, like this I will email you, anyone take the initiative and give me a group email. Is it works for you or not? Take
Okay,
1 week of time gap, my suggestion, or 1.5 week also not a problem. Then you will get the doubts. Doubts you can clarify.
We will mail you after we are done with practicing, ma'am.
That's great, dear. Without practicing, simply if you're coming, means that will be the time waste for you people only.
Yeah.
Yes.
We will
Okay.
discuss, ma'am.
That's good. Okay.
class, then it cover previous classes too, I think.
Yeah. Previous classes means last, yeah.
Yeah, last
Today's class, yes. Last class is also it's covered. So that's like this. More topics will be there, but the usage is different. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, dear. So with this today, I'm ending up the session for now. See you on
Ma'am,
tomorrow, same timings. Today at what time you
ma'am,
came?
can you check my test cases?
Yeah, yes, dear. I didn't get a chance. Now I will check it out.
Okay, ma'am. When you have time, you can check that.
Fine. Thank you so much, dear. I'll
Okay,
check it
bye.
out. Okay. Bye, team. Bye, everyone.
Bye
See
bye,
you
ma'am.
tomorrow, same timing. Yeah. Bye, bye.
Ma'am.
Bye, dear.